Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. In this video, I am going to review this 12 by 12 outdoor gazebo from Patio. I'll start off by going over the setup process, followed by the specs and details of this gazebo, and finally I'll share my final thoughts on this outdoor gazebo, so stick around. You have your main frame, some guide ropes and stakes. Here you have your main awning and the screened insides. Comes with a set of instructions, some safety gloves, and some sandbags for weight to add on the corners of your post to help stabilize your gazebo in strong winds. The setup process will go a little bit easier if you have two people, but for this demonstration purpose, I'll be doing it by myself to show you that it can be done. Stand up your main frame and just start to spread it out. Once you have it spread out to about this size, we're going to then install the top canopy. This is a two-tiered gazebo, meaning there's going to be a small rooftop and then the larger rooftop. The smaller rooftop will be suspended just above the larger rooftop. So you're going to have two canopies to install. You're going to want to start with the small center canopy, which is the taller of the two rooftops. If we take a look inside the smaller canopy here, you're going to see a little slot, and that's going to be in all four corners. These four slotted corners are designed to sit inside these four black posts. So you're just going to slide that over the top on all four corners here. Once you have your small canopy over the top of those black eaves, it's time to slide the large canopy over the top. Take your time when doing this process. You don't want it to get snagged up on anything and tear open. And this is where a second person comes in handy. Once you have this initial process done, the setup time on this is fairly quick because you can leave your canopy on top. You're going to notice on the inside of all four corners of the large canopy, there's an opening here. You're going to have Velcro straps. Them are going to be placed around the support poles here. And then on top, you're going to see these little loops. That's where you're going to tie your small canopy through there. You're going to attach that one to the top of your large canopy here. On the four corners of your main canopy, you're going to see a little slot in here with an elastic strap. This elastic strap is going to go over and through the corner of this black piece here, and then slide the corner over the top just like this. From this point, we're going to fully extend the frame. Now for the next step, we want to hold on to the main leg support here, and we're going to slide up on this bracket until you hear this button click, and it's going to latch into this hole right here. And we'll go around and do that for the other three corners. Now what you need to do is secure the Velcro on the outsides here. Get that lined up nice. Now we're going to go around and raise up all four of the legs. So you're going to need to keep your foot on the bottom here and just extend until you hear a click. Now step inside your gazebo and go around wherever you have Velcro straps and secure those down in place. Once you have all your Velcro straps fastened, the final step is to place the screen sidewalls. For the sidewalls, find where the zipper is on one of the four sides and just unzip it. And then you're going to want to walk it around the outside of your frame here. until you get back to the center point here at the beginning. Line up the corners with your corner posts here. Slide your side screen up underneath this top piece just a little bit. And all you need to do is take these clips and slide them up over the top of the bars here. And we'll just keep going around until we have them all connected. And finally go around and secure the screen to the legs. Once you have your gazebo where you like it, it's best to secure it down with the supplied stakes and guide ropes. And they also do include some sandbags that you can fill up and place at the corners of your posts. Here is a complete walkthrough and walk around of this gazebo now that it's finally set up, so you can get an idea of what it'll look like. Now let's talk a little bit about the specs and details of this gazebo. This gazebo shown measures 12 by 12. It is in the gray color. It's constructed of a 210D Oxford fabric, making it UV and water resistant. All four sides can be unzipped, and the screened-in netting is easily secured with little clips that attach to the main frame for easy and quick installation. At the top of the gazebo, you will notice a two-tiered roof with a screened-in ventilation system, allowing more airflow to keep you cooler on those warm days. And the frame is constructed of a sturdy steel and uses a latch-style button press release that has 3 height adjustments. And located on the bottom of each leg, you're going to see 3 holes for stakes to help secure your gazebo. Final thoughts on this gazebo. Overall, it's got a great sturdy construction. It is designed for a temporary structure, which means that it's a quick setup and takedown design. If you are looking for a gazebo that you can move around throughout your yard, this might be the solution for you. With its quick setup time of less than 30 minutes, and takedown time of less than 10 minutes. It's a great solution for those of you looking for a structure that you can move around your yard. I like that you have the ability to unzip any of the 4 sides, or you can unzip all 4 sides and roll them up, and they will Velcro to each corner post, adding a little bit of an elegant style to it when the bugs aren't bad. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys found this video informational and helpful when choosing your next outdoor gazebo. What I really like about the style and design of this gazebo is its sturdy structure, quick assembly, and how the screen is attached with clips instead of using Velcro like the other ones on the market today. This gazebo comes in several different colors. You can also get this gazebo in 2 sizes. The one shown today is a 12 by 12. They also make a 10 by 10. If you guys are interested in checking out this gazebo, I'll have a link in the description. If you guys have any questions on this product, please feel free to leave those in the comments section. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.